pipe on the body. Me love my.
Okay, guys. Okay. I got all my veggies right here. I got my oxtail off in the cut. Let me show you. I already cleaned it up. Looking good, looking good. I got that oxtail from I got it from Winn-Dixie. It was only 11 something for all of this. See, I get mine cut thin. I don't like them too thick, but if you want yours thicker, you could definitely get them cut thick. Also, you could get it from Publix and Walmart. So I'm gonna just cut these up. I have some bell pepper, some carrot, and 2 types of onions, okay? And my habanero pepper. Pepper. Guys, this is just gonna be a quick video because I made an oxtail video before. That was bomb. So for this one, I'm just using minimal seasoning. So I'm just gonna marinate this for a few hours. So all the seasoning and flavor can soak up into that oxtail. You don't know. So I'm using a little less than half a bell pepper right here. If you guys have tomatoes, you can definitely add your tomatoes in there as well. See, I know a few people that bake their oxtail, put their oxtail in the oven for a few hours. If you want to do that, you can do that as well, but I feel like you get most of your flavors when you cook it on the stove. So this is just a small onion right here, small yellow onion. And I got me a piece of red onion right here. This was just sitting in the fridge. Ooh. Alright. Hey, don't use too much of this. You don't want it too spicy. I just use half of it. No seeds. I didn't put any seeds in here. Alright. Push that over, bring this to the front, make sure y'all can see. Hold on. I'm gonna go with some browning. You have to put browning in your oxtail, okay? No browning, no good of oxtail. Alright. I'm just gonna put a little bit right now. If I need more when I'm cooking, I'll add a little more later on. Alright. I'm going with some chicken seasoning right here. I got this from Walmart. It was only $1.99, so that's not bad. $2. I'm gonna add that much. Then I'm gonna go with my Maggi seasoning. Man, I've been craving oxtail. I was supposed to make this oxtail a couple weeks ago. I'm gonna go with my Saison. I was supposed to make this a couple weeks ago, but I don't know. Time just wasn't on my side. I'm gonna go in with half of this. So I'm using 1.5 of this Szechuan seasoning. And now the good up stuff that makes the oxtail delicious. So I'm gonna just add everything in. Ooh, yummy. Hold on. Okay, guys, so I just had to go put on a glove. So I'm just gonna combine everything. Ooh. Hey, y'all, don't be afraid to get all up in here, okay? All up in it. Ooh. Oh, my God. Man, it felt like I haven't made a video in a hot minute. I need to start tightening up, man. Dude. Oh, yeah. If you guys are still here watching this, if you like it so far, give me a thumbs up. If you don't know, leave me a comment down below. Oh, shoot. Subscribe to the channel. All that good up stuff. You don't know. Damn, I can't wait to eat this. And I'm making this with some rice on peas. You don't know. Okay, this good now. Okay. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for a couple of hours. No less than 2 hours for sure. So I'll put this in the fridge. And when it's done and everything, when I'm ready to make it, I'll let y'all know exactly how many hours I had it in the fridge. All right. So see y'all when I'm ready to cook it. Yeah. All right, guys. So it's been about 6 hours since my oxtail been marinating. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna separate the onions and all the veggies from off my oxtail so I can fry it. Also, my pot is on over there. Y'all can see it. The temp is on high. So when that get hot, I'm gonna add some oil in here, just a little bit, not too much, and then I'm gonna fry it up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oxtail, my favorite. Instead of spending all that money at a restaurant, Jamaican restaurant, you spend about $15 and they give you like 5 pieces. Not even 5 pieces, little pieces of oxtail. When you could buy it at the store and make it yourself for half the price. Make sure you take off all the onions because you don't want it to burn. Ooh. I'm gonna finish taking these out and then I'm gonna bring y'all over to the stove. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add a little bit of oil in here. Just a little bit. You don't want to add too much. Alright, I just took out all the oxtails. You see all the good veggies that I'm gonna add in later? Man, this gonna make this thing. This gonna bring this oxtail together, okay? I'll bring this oxtail to life. All right, so I'm gonna start adding this oxtail in. Alright guys, so I'm gonna fry this up. I know it looks kind of dark right now. Let me see if I can get my light on here. Ooh. Okay, that looks good. So I'm gonna fry this up. Then I'm gonna come back, flip it over, and cook it up on the other side. About 10 minutes on each side or so, okay? Or until golden brown. Alrighty. So when I finish frying it up, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add my water and all that to cook it down. Let go. Let go. Alright guys, so see my oxtail is already nice and browned up. You see that? So now I'm gonna add all my veggies in here. I'm gonna cut my stove back up to high. Just add all this in. Woo-hoo-hoo. Alright, so I'm gonna let that cook up a little bit. And I got some hot water over here boiling ready to go into my pot. Remember, when you're making oxtail, make sure you have a hot pot of water over there on the side. So I'm going to let this cook up a little bit. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to add the water. I'm going to cover it up and let it do its thing. Ooh, smoky. Okay, so the veggies and stuff been sauteing down a little bit. So now I'm going to add in the hot water. Ooh. Alright, I'm just going to do about 2 cups right now. And then I'm going to add in 2 more cups when this simmers down. Then I'm going to add 2 more cups of hot water in there. Honestly, overall, this should take about 3 to 4 hours, 2 to 4 hours of cooking time. So I'm going to come back when it's almost finished. I'm going to put my spinners in and all that good stuff. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to add in a little ketchup, okay? A little tomato ketchup. Not too much. Just going to mix this around. I'm also going to add in my spinners. Guys, I made these plenty of times before. So y'all just check out my other videos. Plenty of videos with my spinners. So I'm going to just have this cooked down. And then that will be it. That will be the oxtail. Quick, simple, easy. You don't know. And of course, it's delicious. Oh man, this smells so good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cover this up and let it finish cook. And when we come back, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Thing look good up, good up, good up. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, all that good stuff. Leave me a comment down below. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye my fluffies.